Howdens handleless kitchen installation. We're doing little kitchenette in a little studio out by the sea, and it's a perfect little example of how to set up handleless kitchen. You have to start with the end panel, height of the end panel, flush with the bar, and that level should be transferred down to the carcass. That's obviously secured back to the wall with the little brackets. Now the bar is clipped on to these plastic brackets. You clip it on first, line it up flush with the carcass, and then fix with 2 screws down on top of the carcass and sideways here onto the side panel, and set it back from the front 20 millimeters to allow for your doors line up to go nice and flush with that section there. The reason why you have to set it from the height of the end panel or side panel is this is untrimmed side panel, and with this bar will give you from the floor to underside of the bar will give you 860 millimeters clearance. Most of appliances, built-in appliances, as on the counter fridge that is going there and a washing machine that's going to go there, most of them are around 840, 850 millimeters. So you probably have enough to trim if you have to for any reason. If floor is not even, you probably got 5 to 10 mil tolerance to trim. If you trim any more, you will struggle to fit built-in appliances underneath this bar. That's very important to keep, if you can, the side panels, end panels in full height. Don't trim them. Just adjust the carcass to the height of the side panel. And then the bar will protrude 30 millimeters above the carcass. So for the back, I used 2x1 prepared, done a notch that leaves me 30 millimeters backing there, and the same on that side. So that is now true level with the front bar, and then plain down button 30 millimeter knock on both sides here, because that's going to be a little sink there. This is the sink unit, and then we'll sail over, worktop will sail over the entire thing. You can see it's all in line up to the end panel there. So that is how it gets set up. It's quite straightforward. It's a bit more precise, I would say, than just standard kitchen fitting arrangement, especially with that clearance that you have for the appliances. For normal kitchen you have much more tolerance there, because these carcasses are standard height carcasses for 720 doors. So doors 720 and door comes to about there. So you have that bit of downstand than what you would normally have. Okay, I hope that explains a lot. I'll do another little clip when it's all done, and yeah, there you go. Hope it helps.